Hey everyone, welcome back to OpenExploit, your go-to spot for practical cybersecurity tips. In today's video, we're diving into the best vulnerability scanning tool you should be using to secure your system in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced, I'll break it all down in simple terms. So let's jump right in. Before we get into the tools, let's answer a quick question. What exactly is vulnerability scanner? A vulnerability scanner is a software that looks for security weaknesses in a system, networks, or website. Think of it like an automated security guard that checks if your doors are closed or your windows are sealed and there aren't any holes in your walls. It scans for things like outdated softwares, open ports, missing patches, misconfigurations, and known vulnerabilities. Now, let's explore the best tools out there. First up is Nessus by Tenable. This is one of the best popular vulnerability scanners in the world. It's super powerful, regularly updated, and used by pros everywhere. Nessus scans everything from missing patches to firewall misconfiguration and gives you a clear and detailed report. There's a free version of individual called Nessus Essential and a paid version for full enterprise use. Next is OpenVAS, now known as Greenbone Vulnerability Manager. If you love open source tools, this one's for you. It's 100% free and offers professional grading scanning feature. It does take up some setup, but once it's running, it's alternative to paid tools. At number 3, we have Qualys Vulnerability Management. It's cloud-based and perfect for large companies managing hundreds of assets. It can scan cloud environments, networks, and endpoints, all from a central dashboard. It's a bit of overkill for individual, but for a big businesses, a solid choice. Nikto is a free command line tool that scans web servers for common issues, outdated software, exposed file, and insecure scripts. If you are doing bug bounties or just testing your own website, Nikto is a great lightweight scanner. Number 5 is Burp Suite, especially the community edition. This one's favorite among bug bounty hunters and web app pen tester. It lets you intercept traffic and test manually, and with Pro version, even automate vulnerability scans. If you are serious about web security, learn Burp. Next is Acunetix. Its commercial scan focused entirely on web apps. It can detect things like SQL injection, XSS, and other OAuth's top 10 vulnerabilities. It's fast, accurate, and integrates well with DevOps pipeline. Tool number 7 is for the Windows FOC, Microsoft Defender Vulnerability Management. If you are using Microsoft 365 and Defender, this tool helps you find and fix vulnerabilities right inside the ecosystem. And finally, we have OASP, short for Jet Attack Proxy. Open source tool great for beginner learning how to scan web app for vulnerabilities. It comes with a friendly UI and support passive and active scanning. Perfect if you're just starting out. Here's a quick recap. Nessus, pro grade and easy to use. OpenVAS, great open source alternative. Qualys, best for enterprise scale. Nikto, lightweight for web server checks. Burp Suite, ideal for manual web testing. Acunetix, powerful automated web scanner. Microsoft Defender VM, Windows focused. ZAP, great for learning and automation. Choose the one that fits your need and skill level. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to OpenExploit for more practical cybersecurity content. Got questions or want me to demo any of these tools in real time? Drop a comment below. I read them all.